Maybe you should just give up on jocks and go for the more bookish type.
Dexter, you are so sweet. If only you were 10 years older.
10 years older? Wait, hold that thought. Yes, 10 years older. I will blind her with science.
Hey, Dee.
Yeah?
What are you looking for?
I don't know.
Weird family.
Now, my sweet, where to be my worst intervention yet.
Yup, that's a big one. Yup, that's a big one for the Florida Everglades. Next, we'll cover worms and plastic minnows. Yup.
Who's trying to sneak up on me?
Dexter, boy genius. Dexter the cookie.
Shh! I'm trying to watch my show.
I'm gonna bomb you.
Now that is no way to talk to you.
You're a stupid girl. Get out, get out, get out.
Yup.
Don't touch anything.
I'm sorry.
You're a cookie. Get out, get out, get out.
Alright, let's see. I'll need 2 eggs, 1 stick of butter, half a cup of sugar, a pinch of cinnamon,
A cup of cinnamon.
a cup of cinnamon,
A quart of pepper.
a quart of pepper,
A box of olives.
a box of peppers,
Yup.
a block of cheese,
A block of cheese.
a gallon of milk,
A gallon of milk.
Are you sneaking up on me?
a cup of coffee,
A cup of coffee.
beans,
Beans.
cookies.
Worms and plastic minnows.
Now wait just a minute here. Where am I gonna get worms and plastic minnows?
The Florida Everglades. Dexter secret, Dexter secret, Dexter secret, Dexter secret, Dexter. Oh no! What has that stupid bird done? If that canary sings, my entire laboratory will be compromised. Dexter secret, Dexter secret, Dexter secret.
Say, you know there's something strange about this bird.
Now where do you suppose it came from?
A secret! A secret! A secret!
A secret? All right, Mr. Bird, you've got some explaining to do. Out with it right now. I'm not going to ask you again. Exactly where did you come from?
Dexter secret! Dexter secret! Dexter secret! Dexter secret!
Dexter!
How many times have I told you not to throw the bird?
But Mom, it's not a real bird. I built it in my secret laboratory. Now,
In Dexter's laboratory lives the smartest boy you've ever.
yes, sir, working here is much more peaceful than being at home with Didi.
Working late again, Dexter?
Yes, sir, Yanni. I'll be burning the midnight oil tonight for sure. Will you excuse me, please?
Sure, Dexter, no problem.
Huh? An emergency action message?
Dexter, Dee has located the Kerbo-comic laser cannon. Probability of lab destruction is 90.
Oh my gosh, I have to get on immediately!
Gotcha!
Can't believe Didi's got the cannon. Well, it shouldn't be too hard to stop her. Why did the stupid janitor lock the door?
It's always the janitor who is stupid, huh, Dexter?
Ah, who's that?
Why, it's your pal Yanni, Dexter.
Why did you lock the door?
Oh, I just wanted to make sure that you don't get disturbed working tonight.
Oh, thank you, but I'll be leaving early tonight.
No, Dexter, I don't think you understand. You're staying here forever.
The janitor has gone crazy and locked me in. Didi has destroyed the lab at home. What am I gonna do? Doors locked, windows squared in, security cameras watching my every move, fire alarm.
Vengeance is sweet.
Yes, Dexter, you are a genius.
Open up in there!
Hey, how's it going? No problem here. I'm the janitor. Just a glitch in the system.
Roger that!
So, Dexter, you thought you can play trick on Yanni, but it is Yanni who will be playing the tricks tonight. Eh, Dexter? Dexter, the firemen couldn't find the fire, but I think things will start to heat up for you. Oh, are you too hot, Dexter? Well, let me cool you down a little. Going up. Going down. Perfect.
What the?
Yellow, Dexter.
What, are you crazy or something?
No, Dexter! I want you to feel the pain that I feel when you make me stay late every night!
What?
Here you go, Dexter. There's the exit. Go home. Yes, yes! That is the pain inside my heart.